The low error code on a Kenmore washing machine indicates a door unlock error or problem, which occurs when the door lock or switch assembly is defective, causing the door of the washer not to open. This error code is displayed after the door refuses to open after 7 attempts. Common causes of the low error code include a broken door lock mechanism, which can be defective or missing, and loose connections, such as a damaged wire harness connecting the door lock system and the control board. To fix the error code, one possible solution is to reset the washing machine, as the error could be due to a momentary glitch. This can be done by unplugging the washing machine from the socket, leaving it unplugged for approximately 30 minutes, and then plugging it back in to check if the error code still appears. If the cause of the error code is a broken door lock, replacing it is necessary. This involves unplugging the washing machine, removing the top panel, disconnecting the wire harness, and installing a new door lock. The new door lock must be connected to the wire harness and mounted in the correct position using the mounting screws. The top panel should then be put back in place and secured with screws, taking care not to over-tighten them. Finally, the washer should be connected to a power source and tested. If the error is due to a poor or loose connection, the loosely connected wires should be removed and firmly reconnected. If the wire harness is damaged, it should be replaced with a new one.